Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I think that my canvas is a little large for the camera monitor today. These are my swipe cards. I'm going to be using some Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it by just throwing it right into a dish, and then I'm going to dip my cards into it. I may also apply it directly. I'm thinking I'm going to use some of my Meeden black just to wet some areas to start with. And my whole theory is that I can put areas down and swipe through them, and I can just keep making them go down the length of the canvas, and I'm hoping that they're going to be wet enough. I'm going to probably turn this around, which means I need to keep my bottles out of my way. These are some of my favorite colors. That's an amethyst from Artist Loft. This is a color shifting purple flash from Folk Art. I wanted a little white in there, but I think what I'm going to do instead is put some silver in. And then as I go along, if I need more, and I probably will, I'll just add it. That is a Venetian blue. This is an Arteza electric blue that I am getting way too close to being out of. I'm not going to be happy because you have to buy an entire package to get the one color I want. Okay, so I'm just going to start. Am I? I'm going to start with the biggest card I can and make sure that I have enough color moved over. Yeah, I might as well just go for it because I'm going to probably backtrack. I hope that's enough color. So I'm going to use a goodly amount of this cell activator. I'm going to wish I had some white in there, but I don't have to wish now because I can actually do something about that. And I saw that dog hair. Aha! Got you out. Goodbye. Maybe just a little bit more. Just cover the whole half of canvas. Alright. So, I don't want to dig down to canvas too far, but I do want some good contact. And that's my first swipe. And I can see that I want a whole lot more purple flash. And I love, love, love the turquoise. And let's just keep the gold going. Now my card is pretty well clean, but not entirely, so I'm going to just wipe off the residuals on the edge of the canvas. Go right back into the same pile of... Oh, I didn't need the whole length. Okay, well, never mind. I've got it anyway. I find if I wipe off the card on the edge of the canvas where there's a little gap, it sort of helps me. I've wanted to do this the long way, the vertical way, for quite a while, and I'm kind of inclined to want to, whoops, bigger canvas than bottle area will allow. I'll just move that bottle over here. Show you guys. Pop my bubbles. I want to go on the other side, and I really think that I want to use some white metallic from Anita's and to change up my colors quite a bit. Hopefully I will get away with this. I I want some turquoise. I've always wanted to just try and slot my colors in as I go along, and I have never really attempted to do it as thoroughly as I am right now. Let's do some more gold. I don't think it has to be in a straight line when you apply it at all. I'm going to take my paint on my card and put it right on the edge right now. I'm going to get a good dose of that paint right on there. My cell activator. And I want to go right back in here right now. I wonder if I could just put some of that cell activator down right there. And I got some nice white cells, and that's awesome because I have wanted to see that happen for I don't know how long. That's just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And that turquoise, oh, that turquoise is just exactly what I wanted. So let's do a little bit more of that. A little bit more of that purple. I had some purple I needed to use up. I'm just going to go for this. I don't want to move those cells out of there. Hopefully I'll get away with this. I'm good with beautiful colors and lots of fun cells. Even if I have a few bubbles, I can always torch. Oh, that's nice. I really like that. I really love the white. I want to put a bunch of it in on this other side. Now, what do I want over here? I've really been enjoying this. That is the Hot Orchid from Color Art. And more flash, purple flash from Folk Art. And let's put a little bit of... That's an Anita's White Metallic with some of the Venetian Blue included into it. What did I like with that? I like that turquoise. So I think this worked well with just using the cell activator right on the canvas. For right now, that's what I want to do. And I do have plenty of paint. And hopefully you can see most everything that's happening. I meant to put a break right on my turntable, but I didn't do it, and I'm still lucky, I guess. Oh, that's perfect coverage. Wow. I feel very fortunate. I'm having a good time, and I'm loving my colors, and I'm thinking I want some more green over there because I love the green over here. Let's see if I can turn my turntable without knocking off a bunch of bottles. Yeah, this is making me happy. Really, really like this a lot. I do have a bunch of that Meeden Black, but the Meeden Black also is really good at selling. I also have some great colors that I can actually use right now. I'm just tapping off the swipe card to the best of my ability anyway. On the edges. Nice cells. Pretty colors. Am I done? Ooh, not yet. Am I done adding colors? I think I want some more Hot Orchid right down there. Yep, I can tell right now that I'm going to be happy with that. I'm going to use as much of my, whoop, wrong side again. as much of the residual cell activator as I can. In fact, I'm going to grab my spatula and shuffle the stuff I took from one set, put on the wrong side, and move it over. Because I need to be wider than I've got. Okay, I think that's enough. I hope I had some gold in there. Oh yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. This is sweet. I'm not sure about this center section. But I have some beautiful colors right on my card. And I'm feeling like taking a risk. I hope I have some tweezers. Oh, you know what? I know where they are. They're in the bucket. I just saw something that needed to come out. Get the water off of them. And go back to thinking about... I like this black spot that's negative space, but you know, as soon as I mention it, it becomes a problem for me. So I'm just gonna bounce my card and pick it up a few times. Oh, I had some nice cells in there. Hopefully I'm not gonna hurt that too much. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and I'm thoroughly enjoying my composition, although I am seeing one more thing that needs to go. I want a smaller card. That's what I want. To adjust my center section so it's a little bit less straight across. I do like the idea of moving some of the black into some other sections and creating some more drama. Just like that. Yeah, that's sweet. I'm happy. So, I'm really glad you guys are here. There's over 93,000 of you subscribed. Less than 1% are ever watching, but I'm really grateful and really happy that those of you who are here are still here. If you want to give me and my channel a surviving chance, share my videos, watch them longer. That's the biggest thing. And your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for your comments, you sweet, kind comments. If you're interested in maybe being able to win one of my artworks, you should check out what's in this month's drawing. On the end screen video is an exhibition video, in the last 20 seconds of any video, and it will share with you what the monthly prizes are for the monthly drawing. It happens at the beginning of the month. It runs all month long, and anyone who contributes through PayPal or Patreon is automatically included. I have just started my 21st 100 playlist today, and this is probably going to wind up on it along with a few others eventually. I really want to play with that black in my dish. I wish I could get it to sell at this point too, but you know what? I don't really mind making the marks and getting the texture. I think I'm going to take a second and adjust that puddle. Ever so slightly. I am pretty happy. That's a fun abstract for me. I want to put some black right in there. Why do I want to do that? I don't know, but I'm going to try it anyway. It's not a bloom, but it is something. I added a little more texture. So, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other and take care of yourselves. If you check my link tree, it's the first blue link under the video, and you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links there. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a shop now button that'll take you to fineartamericanpixels.com, so you can shop all kinds of awesome stuff that has my artwork on it and help support the studio at the same time if you're willing. And I also have a brand new venue. It says new. It's the top link on the link tree. The Gallerist is beautiful fashion clothing made in Montreal with some of my very select designs. It's gorgeous. If you're looking for something slightly less expensive and more economical by comparison, you can look underneath the video at any of that clothing and click through to my store for Teespring, and you'll find all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Yeah, I just got to use the paint on my card. I can't help myself. I think I'm pretty well covered, and if I'm not, I will be. I'm glad I put the white in there. Now that makes me want to do one with a whole lot of white, just for those cool cells. It's nice to have the black negative space, but it's just as nice to have that white in there. I love you guys. I think I said that. If you have questions, please ask me. My community board is on my YouTube channel, and it'll show you tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks, wet and dry. I'm attempting to put together a calendar for 2021, and in the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, I am gathering those of you who might want to help pre-order a calendar. No money down. Just tell me if you'd like to be included, and sometime in July or August I will have picked all of the correct photographs, and we'll keep working on it. Anyway, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on my link tree, and I want to thank you again for all the donations that help keep me painting. If you shop my Amazon link that's on the link tree, you'll find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and everything there is at no added cost to you, but it does add up a little tiny smidgen until I can actually buy some art supplies sometimes. Please give me a thumbs up when you like my videos. You really help me out. Sharing them is the same. I think I said that already. My email address is the way to contact me. It's underneath the link tree, underneath the video, and you need the hashtag and the file number. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, just contact me via that email address. I will see you guys anon. If you need a link to a video or a playlist, just ask me. I have them all saved up. I have those 21 lists. Probably only 19 or 20 of them have things you can watch in them so far, but posted a little bit ahead. But if you ask me for a link or you like something and you'd like the playlist that goes with that genre, let me know, because I'll hook you up. I love you guys. I know that's like the 3rd time I said that, but I do. I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, that was a lot of fun. These are some of my favorite colors. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I should zoom in. Although I'm sure most everybody turned off by now. I almost forgot to show you all those pretty cells. I'm going to try something else next. Especially with that white. Alright. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.